What's up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. A quick look at Pepe coin once again. Want to talk about overall just the meme coin sort of sentiment right now and what's going on in the markets. What can we see for Pepe coin coming soon? Now, obviously one thing for sure that we know by now, meme coins are absolutely pegged to human behavior, right? The FOMO, the retail FOMO, the alt season, the mania phase, and the greed. And right now we're not seeing that reflection. Right now we're actually seeing a lack of interest for meme coins across the entire crypto space. This keyword here of meme coin or meme coins is not really looking that bullish right now. Last time it was mega bullish, like meme mania, was in March 2024. That's where everyone was FOMOing in for whatever meme coin they could see. Everything was flashing green and the money was just flowing in. So it does heavily rely on that particular stage of a market cycle, but it doesn't mean that meme coins are not worth looking at still. So we're going to check out Pepe coin. The market cap of crypto is sitting at $2 trillion, which is pretty good. And here is Pepe itself. So over the year, since roughly around May of 2024, Pepe has just been dropping, putting in lower highs, lower lows over time and not really looking that great. We can see the price on the market capital has gone from 4 billion down to about 3 billion. So in the last 30 days, Pepe is down 25%, which is quite painful to see for a lot of holders out there. And it does look like it's just basically dwindling away through this descending channel. And there's just like an infinitesimal amount of momentum here. Nothing really is happening. We're just trading a little sideways now. We've bounced out this key support region at the 0.63. We spoke about that support level being very, very key. And we have already hit a very oversold level on the RSI. We've bounced out of that pocket now, which is good. So hopefully, this is the overall main dip now for Pepe. And after this, we'll start to see more of an upswing. So we can see Pepe has corrected perfectly on the 0.786 Fibonacci. And if it does play by textbook here, it shouldn't go much lower than what we can see. If we do get that recoil, if people start FOMOing back in, if we get another meme mania, we should effectively also be targeting around a 2 to 3x for the coin, or up to 4x at least for Pepe. I wouldn't be holding for a 15x or 20x or none of that on this one. I would be planning to DCA in at these lower regions where we currently are and exiting out slowly in increments or tranches along the way. So that means selling a bit there, selling a bit there, selling a bit there, selling a bit there, and keep on doing that. So you've got an average sell value, which would be high, and it will also help you scale down your risk in the market by having less exposure during, a greedy sort of phase in the market, which doesn't usually last that long. So yeah, Pepe is just a little bit, it's not really doing much. It is actually printing a green candle. As we can see, we have got a bit of an upside down candle here. So there's a lot of selling pressure on that top wick versus buying pressure. But if we can keep on printing some greens here, Pepe should start to look a little bit better soon. Let's remind ourselves, of course, October will be good. November should be okay. And if we do get that, we'll start seeing more green candles and hopefully retest some resistances level and maybe even remove a zero for Pepe once again. By the way, guys, if you are new to the channel, please remember to subscribe and like the video. And if you do want some trading signals, check out my Patreon down below for early alpha calls, education, achieve financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom from your phone or laptop. So yeah, that's Pepe kind of in a nutshell right now. It's down. And many people believe it is dead. And when people believe a project is dead, that's when I usually get quite bullish. Now, it is down 62%. It's really not that bad. Some coins are down way more. It's a meme coin. 60% is fairly typical. If Bitcoin is down 30, 40%, then usually your bigger meme coins will be down more, 60 to 70%. They've just got a smaller market cap, and therefore more volatility attached to them. Fear and greed, we are starting to slowly warm up in these markets. 37 on the fear. So a bit of fear in the markets. We're going to flip back to neutral soon, hopefully, and then extreme greed in the future as well should be happening. Bit of price predictions on Pepe as well. So for this particular website, they think in 2025 the max price of Pepe will be 0.000018. So that's about, I would say, about 3 to 4x from where we currently are. Quite a realistic price, actually. This could happen in early sort of January or February or even March. And I think by the next overall decade, well, not decade, but 6 years, the max price would be 0.00002. So not much growth there, but at least still on the upside potential, we've got some big upside, hopefully, for it. Another meme coin in the place, Doge 2014, raised $448,000 now. Pretty cool ecosystem, and there's not an ecosystem out there that is rewarding holders like this one right here. We can see, look, if you become a VIP on the Doge 2014 ecosystem, you become a VIP and therefore you reduce your average price. It says the starting price is 0.00028, but the VIP price gives you an entry of 0.00024. Then the launch price will be 0.000348. So you can see you're getting about a 50% increase on the overall price if you were to become a VIP. They're doing a big airdrop. You can see here, if you invest $1,000 or more in Doge 2014, you become a VIP and you lower that unit price. And you can see there is a leaderboard system right now. Here are some of the top wallets that are holding the most amount of Doge 2014. Of course, they're all eligible for the airdrop and they're on the leaderboards. So I guess these guys are the whales of the ecosystem, so to speak. So yeah, really cool project, Doge 2014. They're celebrating the 10-year anniversary of basically Dogecoin itself. So they're about halfway. See here, the countdown to activate the Dogecoin airdrop. When they get the 500k raise, the airdrop will begin. And there on the right-hand side, you can see all of those different bonuses depending on how much you choose to buy. Not financial advice, of course, guys. It's a meme coin. It's not docs or KYC, so it will be risky still, but it could be a good one if it launches around that bullish October, November period. Lastly, what is going on? Bitcoin heat map over here. So we can recognize that 2022, the perfect entry was $17,000. 2023, September entry was $26,000. And we're a bit overextended now. So when we hit $72,000, we moved away from that 200-week moving average. We've not yet hit like major euphoria though. We got to $72,000, but it didn't feel that euphoric or special. Right now, we're just chilling, still above the red line at $57,000. Hopefully we'll get some continuation, but you know, it's always hard to say what's going to happen next for coins like these. Bitcoin, I still think super strong future. It's always good to be keeping an eye on Bitcoin just to see where it is. And today we're looking at 56.8k for Bitcoin. We're not entering that $40,000 territory, hopefully. And on the year, it's actually looking really good. It's consolidating around this 50 to 60k level. And we've spent a lot of time above $50,000, the most time ever, in fact, above $50,000, which in my opinion is another very bullish thing. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, subscribe, like, comment. If you want to hit your crypto goals, check out my Patreon down below. And make sure to get you trading with MEXC and KSEX. The links are down below for you guys if you want to save money with maker and taker fees and unlock some trading bonuses. So when you're buying meme coins like Pepe, you can use my links down below, which will help you get more meme coins for every dollar that you spend. See you soon. Take care. Stay crypto safe. Peace.